Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I'll show you how to set up an integration to transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to eSputnik. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho Inventory to other systems. For example, through eSputnik you can send SMS messages to contacts from Zoho Inventory. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Zoho Inventory data source system. Now you need to choose an action. In this case, I want to receive new contacts. At this point you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, we need to specify the login and password of the Zoho Inventory personal account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Zoho Inventory account. When the connected login is displayed in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho Inventory system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Zoho Inventory contacts. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the setup of the Zoho Inventory data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. We choose the system eSputnik. Next, you need to select an action. Send SMS. At this stage you need to connect your eSputnik account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your eSputnik personal account. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you see the eSputnik fields for sending an SMS message. In the sender field, you need to select the name of the sender. It must be previously registered in your eSputnik account. In the recipient field, you need to specify a variable from Zoho Inventory that contains the recipient's phone number. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. In the message field, you need to compose the text of the message that will be sent with each new contact from Zoho Inventory. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent via SMS via the eSputnik service for each new contact from Zoho Inventory. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to eSputnik. After successful sending, go to eSputnik and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup of eSputnik data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.